Sounds in different years. Hope you enjoy. Okay, let's get right into it. Now first of all, let's go to this. Okay, this is a Minecraft beta preview 6. As you can see, old versions like this has already given you some blocks in creative mode, and there's no search menu or it just scattered randomly. So first of all, let's try TNT sound effects, blocks, chest opening. I heard in older version there's the screaming door. Okay, first of all, the door. Huh? Whoa, why is it not opening? Okay, whatever. Chest. Oh, chest has no sound. Blah. Okay. TNT. Wait, while you break that block, it actually works. Okay, let's just restart. Okay, so door. As you can see, now let's go to the newer version of Minecraft. This is still the old texture 1.13, but it's a bit newer. This is beta preview 6, and this is 1.13. There's a difference. Oh yeah, there's a lot of difference. Okay, let's just go to building, blocks, bricks, TNT, level. Now, is that it? Oh, yeah, there's a door. Okay. I'm kind of having a musty smudge day right now. So, right now we need a door. Now, as you can see, they added new doors, but we just need an oak door. Okay, let's hear this sound. See, there's a difference. Now, let's go to the older version. Wait, I also noticed a difference. Look. This thing has a capital, and this has capitals. But this older version, it's probably the same, but this don't have a capital. Like, so there's a different look. Yeah, the options and the achievements kind of change. Okay, whatever. Okay, now it's the time to TNT. Usually you can punch the TNT to light, but that's probably the alpha years or something, or the in-depth years. Do you know why I'm not using 11 flint and steel? Because I just want to. That's exactly a block. Ooh, pound. Okay, this time. Do you know about these village houses? Yeah, they have a difference. Wow. It will still sound the same, even though there's a lot. Oh, now you can place level on top of the TNT. Oh yeah, there is a difference. I like Bedrock Edition better because While you do TNT, it won't like kind of lag so much. It will still lag, but not that much. Okay, next time, building blocks. Jumping the water. Oh no. When I build it, kind of while I say something, it kind of get the sound away. So I'm not gonna talk this time. Okay, you guys heard that sound. You guys heard it. And if you didn't, then sound bigger. Okay, restart. Now you guys hear it a lot. Okay. This time. Wow, why is there so many horses? Older version horses. This kind of look like Bedrock, but it's not. Whatever. No distracting. Okay, let's slash locate igloo, you know? Okay, so let's try that again. I kind of get a bit distracted. See, there's a difference. The next, wait, okay. I think it's about exploding the houses. Now, this time we are gonna see that opening a chest. Alright. What is wrong with this? Nope. Nobody cares. It doesn't make any sound. How about this? No, I've got a chest. Not a trap chest. No trap chest. Yeah, now there's a sound to it. Now, fun fact. I heard that older versions zombie actually drop feathers since Mojang do not know what they should add to maybe what flesh or something. What? I can't. What? This village in beta version? I thought it's only 1.0, 1.2, 1, you know. Oh wait, I forgot. A long time ago, village used to have gravel paths. A long time ago, it's just a ghost town. There are no villagers, but this time there is villagers. Okay, whatever. This is just getting so silly. Okay, so a long time ago, right now gravel used to look like this, and then gravel changes to this one. So first of all, gravel, it's like this. Second of all, this gravel look like this. Third of all, it's the new version. You guys all know how gravel look like, okay? So I'm not gonna show you. And also, I don't get the new version Minecraft open up, so. Oh, the old blacksmith don't have a door. No chest? Are you serious? No chest? Alright. I guess that's pretty much it, right? I think so. Oh, now there's villages. And now, oh, a long time ago there's a chest there, but there's no chest there. Alright, there's loot. How about this? I might have missed it or something. Nope. Well, goodbye everyone. Like and subscribe.